Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at OKX, found at https://www.okx.com/fr. This particular link leads to the French version of the site, but you can generally find the language selection option somewhere on the page to switch to your preferred language. OKX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform offering a wide array of services for trading and investing in digital assets. While the specific features and functionalities can evolve, at the time of this recording, they offer functionalities like spot trading, futures trading, options trading, and staking. It's crucial to understand that cryptocurrency markets are inherently volatile, and any investment carries risk. Do your own research and understand the potential for loss before engaging with any platform like OKX. Be sure to carefully examine the fee schedules and any other pertinent information relevant to your specific trading needs. OKX often provides educational resources and detailed documentation regarding their platform, which is a valuable tool for both novice and experienced traders. Leverage these resources to learn about their services and how to navigate the platform effectively. Different jurisdictions have varying regulations regarding cryptocurrency exchanges, so ensure OKX complies with the rules and regulations applicable to your location. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets, and it's important to familiarize yourself with the security measures implemented by OKX, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account and funds. Remember, responsible trading involves understanding the risks, doing your due diligence, and managing your investments wisely. This overview is not financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions, especially in the volatile cryptocurrency market. This overview simply provides a starting point for exploring the OKX platform. For a comprehensive understanding, I strongly encourage you to visit their website and explore their offerings in detail. They often update their features and services, so staying current with their latest offerings is essential. Take your time, research thoroughly, and make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances. Again, all the relevant links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.